This everyday bar of soap begins with something you'd never expect. Long before it reaches your bathroom, it starts as a simple coconut. Every day, factories transform tons of coconuts into millions of soap bars. And the machines behind this process are absolutely incredible to watch. The journey begins on tropical coconut farms across warm coastal regions. Workers harvest mature coconuts packed with rich, natural oils inside. Truckloads of coconuts arrive daily at large processing facilities. Powerful automated machines quickly remove the tough outer husks. Inside, the coconut meat is prepared for further processing. It's carefully dried and transformed into a material called copra. Massive industrial grinders break the dried copra into smaller pieces. Now comes the most valuable stage of the entire process. Powerful presses extract pure coconut oil from the prepared material. Thousands of gallons of coconut oil are produced every hour, 18 hours a day and 6 days a week. But this freshly extracted oil isn't ready for soap production. It must be refined and purified to meet quality standards. After purification, the oil becomes clean, clear, and consistent. Now the transformation from coconut oil into soap begins. Giant reactors blend the oil with carefully measured ingredients. A reaction called saponification converts those ingredients into soap. Computers constantly monitor every stage of the manufacturing process. Temperature, quality, and consistency must remain precisely controlled. Next, LUX's signature fragrance is blended into the soap mixture. This is what gives LUX its famous luxurious scent. The soap mixture is dried to remove excess moisture. After drying, it emerges as thousands of tiny soap noodles. These small pieces become the foundation of every soap bar. The noodles are compressed, refined, and thoroughly blended together. This creates the smooth texture customers expect from LUX.
Next, the fully refined soap base enters a giant industrial extruder to be compressed. A continuous, perfectly smooth stream of solid soap slowly emerges from the machine nozzle. Moving quickly, precision electronic cutters divide the long soap stream into individual bar-sized pieces. Each cut piece is instantly pressed between high-pressure molds into its final, recognizable shape. With absolute precision, the iconic LUX logo is deeply stamped onto every single bar. Advanced automated cameras inspect each passing bar, checking closely for quality and tiny imperfections. Only the flawless bars meeting our strictest standards are permitted to continue down the production line. Now beautifully formed, the finished soap bars are ready for the high-speed packaging stage. Specialized high-speed wrapping machines carefully pack thousands of individual bars every single hour. Heavy-duty robotic arms efficiently organize the packaged bars into sturdy cardboard shipping cartons.